Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in the bag. Kind of a thick bag. Make sure I'm not going to cut anything. Oh goodness gracious. All right, let me get this out. Holy cow. All right. Now this bag comes from Outdoor Tide, and if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, I will put them right in here and in the description box below. This is going to be part one of my review for them, and next Saturday will be part two. Right. So next Saturday is going to be part two of the review. So let's see what we have here. I think we're going to go with the cross stitch first. And this is, I'm not sure. I think it's an 11 count, 60 by 50. And it was $16.05. And it is a spring kit. Let me put this up here. And I can't tell if that's Egyptian cotton or not, but we'll take a look here. It is green, so sometimes that means that it is Egyptian cotton. So I'll have to check that when I'm looking at the threads. But isn't that pretty? It's a nice, lovely winter scene. Just absolutely gorgeous. I like the sunset, the light on the water, all the trees with all the snow on them. And I think that they have one for every season. So this isn't too terribly big. So you could collect all 4 of them. But yeah, I just thought it was nice. So it does come with an instruction page. I can get it out of my way for right now. Let's see what we got going on here. We have full stitch, half stitch, back stitch, and 1 French knot. So that's not too bad. And we have a total of 32 colors. There's no mixed colors. It's 221 by 176. Let's look at this. Now, sorry, my bad. I'm not sure. I think the top is the canvas, you know, symbols, and the bottom is this. But no, not this time. These symbols are on the paper pattern, so there isn't any canvas symbols, you know, here. So we'll take a look and we'll compare it when I get there. But very nicely printed. There's this, like up in this top part where the trees are, you can see that there's little lines for like branches and stuff like that. Nothing, a few things go around windows a little bit. Let's see about on this side. So nominal back stitching, you know, it's pretty straight line. You can see it here in the ground, you know. So that's not too bad. And I'm glad the whole house isn't done and everything else. Just kind of here and there. So yeah, and it is divided into 4 parts. So each one of these pages is a part. And then right here, it'll say page 4. And this says page 2, so they're partials. So it's like the skinny side of the picture. Let's take a look at the colors. We have a hank. I'm not sure what color that is. Oh, we didn't even look at what the... Oh, man, we are doing well today. Let's see here. We have 310 black. No 823, no 939. So this must be 3865 for like the snow, like the brightest part of the snow. So yeah, I don't see any other dark colors that I know. So we'll check it out. Get that out of the way for a second. Let's not lose that. But, wow. Really? Somehow, I can't believe all these bright colors are in there. Number 9. Oh, okay. I guess part of those, like the yellows and the oranges, are the part of the house, and part of that, we'll call them sunrise or sunset, not sure which. And then you have all your waters, but I don't know, they just seem very bright. Does come with 2 needles. There's a lot of 310 black in this. I'm sure that's up in the trees, but very nice. Very nice. And there's more 3865 if you need it. I don't know if this is a full coverage or not. We will take a look. Oh, and I was going to see. Let me see. I can always tell. It feels like cotton. It doesn't feel like Egyptian cotton. It just feels like... Yeah, see how it doesn't... It ripples a tiny bit, but I mean, it does not curl like grosgrain ribbon. So, let me put that back on there. Hold, please. It'll be a hot moment. I don't want to lose that thread. So it is 11 count, so that means you use 3 strands. Let me put that in the middle, just so it doesn't get lost. But look how vibrant those colors are. Oh my goodness. Goodness, goodness, goodness gracious. All right, let's take a look at this canvas. I'm quite anxious. Couldn't figure out how to open. Yep, there we go. How to open it. I like how they put the canvas into a separate page. Oh, this better be printed. Oh, I was about ready to have it fit. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Whoops, I just lost. Holy cow. Nice big key. It is stitched all the way around, so you don't have to worry about thread tabs. So very nice. Very nice indeed. Very well printed. Oh, that's what I was going to look at. Hang on, hold please. Okay, so the paper pattern on this is the same as the canvas, because all these symbols match going all the way across. So that all lines up. I needed to know that. Hang please. Get up there, little buddy. But I wanted to fold this and show you how nice this was. Now you could add as much back stitching to this as you wanted, but look how plain and clear all the symbols are. Just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. Let's measure this. And for under $20, I think that's a good deal. So I don't know why they put it in a green thing. I'm still confused. All right, 58.5 centimeters or 23 inches by, so that's not too bad. 47.5 centimeters or 18.75 inches. Actual is a little over 15.5 or 30, little over 39.5 centimeters. And this way it is, I'm trying to get it to lay down, little over 51 centimeters or a little over 20 inches. So not too bad. And we're going to start this today for my January Saturday stitching. So join me at 1 for that. And that's 1 Mountain Standard Time, USA. But yeah, I'm really impressed. I like this canvas. It looks like it's very easy to stitch. You don't have to worry about too much. Was it a partial or not? No, it's a full coverage. But I'm sure the stuff in the background, like usually in the sky, it's the half cross stitch. So we'll check that out more later. All right, let's get on to the fun stuff, right? Now this is 42 by 42, it says, and it was $25.85. And it is a beaded cross stitch. Get rid of the sticker. We'll just lay it right there. And let's see what this has got going in it. Oh, hey, we get a paper pattern. I am thrilled. You have no idea. That last one I got was not that way. It does have instructions on how to stitch. You stitch all in one direction, either going right or going left. And you don't have to make a full cross. And you probably like to see the picture of what it is. Oh my goodness. We are just out there today. It's a tiger. Of course it's a tiger. Can it be the year of the tiger instead of year of the snake? I like tigers much better than snakes. It does come with thread. So yeah, I thought this would just be really beautiful. And I guess you're going to do all that background. Yeah, in black. It doesn't show it that way. But it is on the canvas. The pattern does not show it as this background being done. That's kind of odd, but yeah, I would want beads. We have 18 colors. It does not give me any, oh, crap. Doesn't give me any DMC numbers, and it's on 9 count Ada, and this says 42 by 42. So let me see, what did it say on the front here? It says 42 by 42. I don't know where I got it. Okay, 42 by, that's such an odd size. How weird. It's 150 stitches by 150 stitches. Oh, and they put the bags in the good bags. Thank you. And there's not so many of them, so we'll take a look. If I can just get the baggie open, we will have it made. Nice bag. I do transfer these to my little, where is it? It's here somewhere. Oh, please. Into one of these, and I write on it what it is and what the product number is so I can match everything. And then I put the excess back into this baggie, or if I have to, a Ziploc. So there is your background color. Isn't that pretty? Pure 310 black. Yeah, baby. That looks like almost the same thing. Seriously, I can't tell the difference between 8 and 18. We have some nice gold. And 2 shades of kind of a peach. There's 3 and 5. And I'm glad there's not a lot of different colors. I like that part. Kind of a yellow. And this is kind of a greenish gray, if you will. I don't know if that's picking up, you know, on it or not. We have kind of a bronze. I'm sure these are tiger parts. Oh, it'd have to be tiger parts because after you get past the background, you know. Kind of a gold. What do we got here? 13. So far, we're doing good here. Ooh, and a nice pearl. Oh, you got a hitchhiker, but that's okay. At least I can see it. Some of them, you really have to look. I'm sorting these as I go along here. Kind of a pale color. Kind of a champagne almost, or a medium beige, if you will. That's really pretty. So yeah, I am thrilled that there aren't a lot. That's kind of a coppery brown. Lots of yellows, browns, tans. 17. Number 1. That's really pretty. And some more tans for number 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So they are all there, but really pretty colors. That black being the background reminds me of those Santa-looking gnomes I did in a diamond painting, and like the center of it was the gnomes and all the colors, but the background was all 310 black. It took me forever. I was doing 310 black, I swear, for 4 days. But got it done, though. Got it done. Does come with 3 needles. We're going to take them right out of there and put those in my pin cushion just so I don't stab myself. Hold, please. So there's 18 colors in this. So it'll all fit in one thing. But very nicely printed. Very easy to see. There's your number 18, but we knew that. So nice and big. The background's going to take you more time than anything else. But yeah, I can hardly wait to start on this. Gorgeous! But nice big symbols. Very easy to see. You know, you get one like this, and you get the one like I got the other day, and you can barely... The symbols are about 1/3 the size of what that is. And they don't send you a picture. I'm serious. Come on, guys. Get it together. But very nicely done. And I will measure it just because, you know, it's what we do. Oh, gosh. If I can get it to lay down. But I think the black is going to make it all pop. We have 53 centimeters almost, or 20.5 inches. Serged all the way around, by the way, if I didn't say that 3 times, probably. 53 centimeters, or almost 21 inches. Actual picture size is 16.5 inches, or 42 centimeters by 40, almost 42 and 16.5. So, very nice. Very well done. Good job. I'm glad they got all the colors there. This is going to be lovely. Just absolutely lovely. I do like it. And that is all for this part. Part 2 will be next Saturday. And we will check out what else came in. Now, Outdoor Tide does have diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number, and beaded cross stitch, of course. And they always have a wide variety, great prices, so do check them out. Thank you, Outdoor Tide, for these 2 lovely kits this week. I sure do appreciate it. Thank you, everyone, for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.